Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will see how to give style to various types of list. So there are two types of list in HTML. First is the order list and another is the unordered list. So we will set various properties of list. So we have created four lists, two of unordered list which is this and two of order list, and we have given each list class. So we will define class selector in the style. So we will define class A, class B and class C and class D. So let's define class in the style. Class A and class B are of UL which is unordered. So write ul.a and ul.b, and in between this class I will define style for these classes. Every unordered list contain markers. So to set marker, list style type property is used. So in this property we have to supply type of style. Suppose I want to give style to circle, then I have to pass circle, or if you want to pass square then you have to pass here square. If you want to set square then you can give value to square here. So this will set circle as a marker. Let's define class of order list which is C and D. We cannot give markers in order list, so we have to pass list style type to. If we want to give upper Roman, then I have to pass upper Roman, and lower alpha, then I can use same property for this purpose, but I have to change the value according to my requirement. So I want to display this list in lower alpha. First set this list B's property to square. Now let's see what happens to the list. We can see first list contain circle as a marker, and second list which is unordered list contain square as a marker, and same as the order list contains upper Roman and lower alpha. Now we can also set the image for these markers using the list style image property. So now let's set this list style image property, list style image, and we have to use URL, and in URL we have to pass the path of the image where our image is stored. My image is bool.gif. Save and let's check. We can see the image is set in order list because we have set the image in the order list here. So this way how we can style the list. We can also give color and use various CSS properties in formatting the list. So this is about list and how to format this list using CSS style. Thank you.